Good morning, children. Children, we are learning the chapter chemical reactions and equations. Children, as a part of the chemical reactions and equations, I said you to learn the first 30 elements. That is the hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Children, apart from those, I have given few formulae. These are the formulae that I have given: oxygen O2, hydrogen H2, okay, and here iodine I2, calcium oxide CaO, water H2O, ozone O3, calcium hydroxide CaOH taken twice, Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, BaCl2, barium chloride, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay, and in the same way, some more today I will be giving of some more children. Okay, that is here. Make a note of these children, because all these formulae are there in this chapter. Therefore, you should know the formulae compulsory. Okay, see zinc, Zn zinc, zinc carbonate, zinc hydroxide, okay, zinc oxide. This is zinc oxide, zinc hydroxide, okay, zinc carbonate, okay, zinc oxide, BaSO4, barium sulfate, NaCl, common salt, okay, that is sodium chloride, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, okay children, okay, sodium carbonate. Next, here C3H8, propane, okay, C3H8 propane, CO2 carbon dioxide, CO2, okay children, okay. Next, Fe is iron, FeO, iron oxide or ferric oxide, Fe2CO3, iron carbonate, okay children, Fe2O3, iron oxide or FeO and Fe2O3 children, okay, Fe2O3, 2H2O, Fe2O3, okay, see here children, Fe2O3, iron oxide, Fe2O3, 2H2O. This is rust, formula for rust. Rust. Fe2O3 2H2O is the rust formula for the rust, children. Okay, and in the same way, next, okay children, C3H8 propane, CO2 carbon dioxide, Fe iron, FeO iron oxide, Fe2CO3 iron carbonate, Fe2O3 iron oxide, FeO is iron oxide. In the same way, Fe2O3 is also iron oxide, children. Okay, Fe2O3 2H2O, rust, the formula for the rust. Okay, and here FeCl2 iron chloride, FeCl2 iron chloride. Okay, in the same way, Ag silver, Ag means silver, children. Ag silver, Au gold, Pt platinum, AgCl2 silver chloride, AgCl2. Okay, AgNO3, Al2O3, okay, first we write with Ag. Okay, AgO, that is silver oxide, sorry, AlCl3, silver chloride is Al, AgCl2 is silver chloride, AlCl3 is aluminium chloride, Al2O3 aluminium oxide, Al, you know, here Al aluminium, right. Should make a note of all these and you should learn, children. Compulsory, everyone should learn. AlCl3 aluminium chloride, Al2O3 aluminium oxide, okay, NaOH sodium hydroxide, Na means sodium, children. Okay, sodium hydroxide. Okay, next, Mg magnesium, MgCl2 magnesium chloride, Mg2CO3 magnesium carbonate, okay, MgO magnesium oxide, okay, magnesium oxide, AlCl3 aluminium chloride, Al2O3 aluminium oxide, NaOH aluminium sodium hydroxide, Mg magnesium, okay, MgCl2 magnesium chloride, Mg2CO3 magnesium carbonate, MgO magnesium oxide, okay, MgO, magnesium oxide. Okay children. Okay, next next one, calcium children. MgOH. Okay, MgOH taken twice. MgOH taken twice. Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Okay, next Ca, calcium. Calcium. CaCl2, calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. CaO, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Okay. CaOH taken twice, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Hydroxide. Okay children. CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Okay, next lead. Next one is lead. Pb, lead. PbNO3 taken twice, lead nitrate. Lead nitrate. PbO, lead oxide. PbO, lead oxide. PbCO3, lead carbonate. Lead carbonate. Okay, lead carbonate. N, nitrogen. NO2, nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen oxide. Okay, and here NO3, nitrate. Nitrate. NO3, nitrate. Okay, right. Next. Okay, children, these are the few formulae that you should learn, children. Some more formulae are there. In the next class, we will be learning about the remaining formulae, children. Okay, compulsory you should make a note of all the formulae, whatever that I have given, and you should learn them. Not only writing in your notebook, you should learn them, because they are very, very useful to understand the topics, to know the relations of the chemical reactions. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.